Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here. Today we're going to be talking about 3 different kind of drinks that I found to help anxiety and stress. So if you're interested in that, then keep on watching. I'm really excited to share this video with you guys today, but before we do, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't ever miss a new video. As well, I do want to put out there that none of these products are sponsored. They're just products that I personally really do like and really do help me with anxiety and stress, and I just hope that it'll help you guys as well. So without further ado, the first one is this tea called Femme Power. So the ingredients in here, and don't come at me if I say them wrong. So the first one is astragalus root, I believe. Probably I'm saying that wrong, but then the next one is burdock root, cinnamon, clove, dandelion root, dong quai, I believe, not 100%, ginger root, orange peel, reishi, and rose hip. So this tea helps with female hormones, which helps with stress and anxiety. It calms your mood swings and restores the balance with your nervous system as well as like other symptoms. I have noticed that when I drink this tea, I am a lot more calm and like a little bit more stress-free. This tea to me does have a little bit of a different kind of taste. Like it's not bad or anything, it's just more of like maybe like a potent taste, but it does still help me with like my stress and anxiety. I'll sip on it like at night before bed, or sometimes I'll even have it in the morning if I'm not feeling like having coffee or anything like that. But yeah, if you're looking for a tea to help with anxiety and stress, this one might be really helpful for you. So the second drink is one that you guys might have heard of before. It's called Mud. This stuff is so good. Like the best, healthiest drink that I've like ever tasted personally for myself. So some of the ingredients inside of it is turkey tail reishi. This one I'm not 100% on how to pronounce, so don't come at me. Is lucuma, something like that. And then valerian root. Again, I hope I said that right. Not 100% sure. And then passion flower, turmeric, cinnamon, ashwagandha, and chamomile. So there's some really good stuff in this drink. I will have this drink at night when my anxiety and stress are just like really high. For me, it calms me right down, and like honestly, it allows me to like get a full night's sleep. Like it's really good. It honestly tastes like a warm cup of like hot chocolate that's like healthy for you, and like just like totally calms you down. So like all I do to make it is like I literally like just grab a mug, heat up some water, and then so I put in a tablespoon of the mud, and then I put in about I'd say like a teaspoon of like either coffee cream or just like regular cream. It's your choice. And then I put in some honey. Then I pour the hot water on top, and yeah, I mix it up, and it's literally good to go. It's honestly like seriously, like I said, like one of the best drinks I've had, like one of the healthiest drinks that like tastes really good. Yeah, if like you haven't tried it, I honestly like totally recommend it. Like you gotta try this stuff. It is so good. Like honestly, you won't regret it. You really won't. The last drink is called Happy Belly. Let me see if I can bring it up here. So this one you can put into like smoothies, teas, juices, sprinkle on any of your meals. I've also heard it tastes good like in yogurt, just kind of mix it in. For me personally, I like it in smoothies. This Happy Belly powder helps to like de-bloat, it detoxes and nourishes your stomach. When I drink Happy Belly, like it does feel a lot better. Like my stomach feels a lot better after I drink it. It's awesome, honestly, how it works. It is a herbal supplement, so it's 100% vegan. Here, let me show you here. So yeah, like the other two drinks, if you haven't tried these, I definitely say give them a try if you're interested in any of this kind of thing, and maybe let me know if it works for you. And also if you have like any other ideas or things, different kind of like healthy things you want me to try. So all of these drinks that I showed you today are from Urban Apothecary. It's like one of my favorite stores. The staff there, they're so nice and helpful and knowledgeable. I'm not sponsored by them or anything like that, but I just really love their products and just, like I said, how knowledgeable they are. And it's definitely a store that if you're ever around there, definitely check it out. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons down below. I really appreciate it, and it does help my channel grow. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Remember, you are loved and appreciated. Bye.